In this lesson, we're going to be bringing in our prepared 3ds Max files. We're going to be importing them into our Unreal Engine. Then we're going to have a look at organizing those imports in Unreal Engine so it makes sense and that we can access them easily. With these items that we are bringing in, we are going to be dealing with complex mesh, and we'll need to understand the polygon counts in order to understand our optimization tools that we're going to be using. With these complex meshes that we are going to be dealing with, we will be able to apply certain collisions to that. I'll guide you through those process and settings too. We will have a look at the pivots of these imported items and how it relates back to our 3ds Max pivot that we've dealt with. And then we're going to have a look at our UVs and normals. Now, in the previous lesson, when we prepared our files in 3ds Max, we played around with a UV mapping, and those items we can now manipulate and alter and adjust in our Unreal Engine as well. And dealing with our normals, we will also see that the normals are referred to as the specific face that is visible, or the back of the face that we deal with. So we'll have a look at those items during this lesson in detail.